The orca, or Sinus orca, also called killer whale, is a toothed whale belonging to the oceanic dolphin family, of which it is the largest member. Orcas can be found in all of the world's oceans, in a variety of marine environments, from Arctic and Antarctic regions to tropical seas. Orcas are apex predators, as they have no natural predators. The orca is one of 35 species in the oceanic dolphin family, which first appeared about 11 million years ago. The orca lineage probably branched off shortly thereafter. Although it has morphological similarities with the false killer whale, the pygmy killer whale and the pilot whales, a study of cytochrome B gene sequences indicates that its closest extant relatives are the snubfin dolphins. Orcas are the largest extant members of the dolphin family. Males typically range from 20 to 26 feet long and weigh in excess of 6 tons. Females are smaller, generally ranging from 16 to 23 feet and weighing about 3 to 4 tons. Calves at birth weigh about 400 pounds and are about 7.9 feet long. However, the largest recorded specimen measured 32 feet and weighed more than 10 tons. The orca typically has a sharply contrasted body, being mostly black on the upper side and white on the underside. The tail fluke fin is also white on the underside, while the eyes have white oval-shaped patches behind and above them, and a gray or white saddle patch exists behind the dorsal fin and across the back. Orca pectoral fins are large and rounded, resembling paddles. The orca's teeth are very strong, and its jaws exert a powerful grip. The snout is blunt and lacks the beak of other species. Dorsal fins exhibit sexual dimorphism, with those of males about 5.9 feet high and look like a tall, elongated isosceles triangle, whereas the females is shorter and more curved. Orcas have good eyesight above and below the water, excellent hearing, and a good sense of touch. They have exceptionally sophisticated echolocation abilities, detecting the location and characteristics of prey and other objects in the water by emitting clicks and listening for echoes. The mean body temperature of the orca is 36 to 38 degrees C, 97 to 100 degrees F. The pulse is about 60 heartbeats per minute when the orca is at the surface, dropping to 30 beats min when submerged. Like most marine mammals, orcas have a layer of insulating blubber ranging from 3.0 to 3.9 in thick beneath the skin. In newborns, the white areas are yellow or orange colored. Antarctic orcas may have pale gray to nearly white backs. Some Antarctic orcas are brown and yellow due to diatoms in the water. Both albino and melanistic orcas have been documented. Day-to-day orca behavior generally consists of foraging, traveling, resting, and socializing. Orcas frequently engage in surface behavior such as breaching, jumping completely out of the water, and tail slapping for purposes such as communication, dislodging parasites, or play. Spyopping is a behavior in which a whale holds its head above water to view its surroundings. Orcas will engage in surplus killing, that is, killing that is not designed to be for food. People who have interacted closely with orcas offer numerous anecdotes demonstrating the whale's curiosity, playfulness, and ability to solve problems. Alaskan orcas have not only learned how to steal fish from long lines, but have also overcome a variety of techniques designed to stop them, such as the use of unbaited lines as decoys. Orcas are apex predators and sometimes called wolves of the sea because they hunt in groups like wolf packs. Orcas feed on various prey species depending upon location, including fish like salmon, herring, shark, and rays. It may also feed on whales, dolphins, seals, walrus and seabirds including penguins. Fish-eating orcas prey on around 30 species of fish. Salmon account for 96% of Northeast Pacific residents eat, including 65% of large, fatty Chinook. On average, an orca eats 227 kilograms, 500 lb each day. Over the last few decades, researchers have described different forms or types of orcas. These ecotypes of orcas differ in size, appearance, prey preferences, foraging techniques, dialects, behaviors, and social groups. In Northern Hemisphere, there are 5 types of orcas. Resident orcas are fish specialists, named so because they tend to have small home ranges around areas of large fish populations. Residents are found on both sides of the North Pacific. Another North Pacific ecotype is biges, or transient, orcas. These are mammal-eating orcas, and different communities of big S orcas specialize on different prey, from harbor seals to minke whales to gray whale calves. The third ecotype found in the North Pacific are offshore orcas. Their large range stretches from southern California to the Bering Sea, and their social structure and prey preferences are still unknown. They are usually seen in large groups, with more than 50 individuals, and have been seen preying on both fish and sharks. North Atlantic Type 1 are small orcas that live in closely related pods and appear to be generalist eaters. They are known to feed on large runs of herring and mackerel around Norway, Iceland, and Scotland, and some have been seen feeding on seals as well. North Atlantic Type 2 orcas prey primarily on other whales and dolphins, particularly minke whales. These rarely seen orcas are large, with distinctive back-sloping eye patches. When it comes to Southern Hemisphere, 5 types are found. Type A orcas can grow up to 31 feet long and prefer the open areas of the Southern Ocean and primarily hunt minke whales, following their migration in and out of Antarctic waters. Type B, large orcas are called pack ice orcas. They forage for seals in the loose pack ice around the Antarctic continent. Famous for their cooperative, wave-washing hunting technique, they use their tails and bodies to create waves to wash seals off ice floes. Pack ice orcas can appear brown or yellowish due to diatoms, a form of algae, on their skin, and they have a cape of paler coloring. Type B, small, or Gerlach orcas, named after the Gerlach Strait of the Antarctic Peninsula where they are found, are smaller than Type A and pack ice orcas. They also may appear yellowish because of diatoms and have a cape of pale color. The composition of their diet is unknown, but they have been seen feeding on penguins. The smallest ecotype are Type C, or the Ross Sea orcas, with males reaching about 20 feet long. They are gray and white and have a diatom coating that gives them a yellowish hue. They have a very distinctive slanted eye patch. Typically seen off eastern Antarctica in thick pack ice, Ross Sea orcas have been seen eating Antarctic toothfish. Type D or subantarctic orcas were thought to be a mutated type of the worldwide orca species. These orcas have shorter dorsal fins, rounder heads, and the smallest eye patches of any ecotype, giving them a very specific appearance. Since then, there have only been a handful of sightings of this rare ecotype. It is still unknown if they are fish specialists.